What if I told you that it's possible to earn up to $15,000 to $20,000 per month from the comfort of your home using nothing more than a pair of scissors and a printer? Yes, you heard that right. There's a specific category of products that enjoys immense popularity on Etsy, and that category is stickers. Stickers rank among the top-selling items on Etsy, indicating a robust market demand. Those who venture into selling stickers on Etsy often find themselves making substantial profits. This is an opportunity that virtually anyone can seize, whether you're an ordinary individual looking to earn extra income on the side or aiming to replace your 9-to-5 job entirely. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process of starting your own sticker selling business, even if you have no prior design experience. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. I'll be setting up my own Etsy shop, utilizing user-friendly tools to create designs, monitoring sales, producing stickers, and handling shipping, allowing you to witness the entire journey firsthand. But before we dive into action, let's address the fundamental question: why stickers? What makes selling stickers on Etsy such a lucrative endeavor? Well, to begin with, stickers are small, charming, inexpensive, and easily collectible. These qualities make them highly appealing to individuals with even a modest disposable income. From the seller's perspective, stickers are simple to create, exceptionally lightweight, which translates to low shipping costs, and require minimal storage space. Moreover, stickers are among the most sought-after products on Etsy. For instance, a quick search for stickers on Etsy yields pages upon pages of listings. Take, for example, a seller with 73,000 sales, earning over $332,000 solely from selling stickers. And with the tool I'll introduce you to today, you'll be equipped to create designs similar to these successful listings. To begin, the initial step is crafting your sticker designs. You don't need any prior design experience for this, because we'll be using a website called Kittl, which boasts a vast library of sticker templates. To access this website, simply click on the link provided in the video description or pinned comment. Once you've created an account and logged in, navigate to the Templates section and click on Stickers. You'll be greeted with an extensive array of sticker templates to choose from. Here's the process for creating your sticker designs. Start by selecting a template that catches your eye, like the one displayed here. However, we're not merely downloading the template as is. Instead, we're going to customize it to create our own unique stickers. For instance, let's change the text from "Let's Dance" to "Good Vibes." This is easily accomplished by clicking on the text, typing in the desired phrase, and adjusting the background accordingly. Additionally, we can modify or remove the image, change the colors, and within about 30 seconds, we have a completely new sticker design. When it comes to sticker designs, simplicity is key. If we observe the stickers sold by other Etsy sellers, we'll notice that they typically feature short phrases or simple images. This is a trend we can replicate within Kittl. Let's create another design to demonstrate how straightforward this process is. After returning to the main sticker template page, select a design that appeals to you, like the Chill Out design. With a few modifications to the text and colors, we quickly have our second sticker design. Moreover, we're not limited to text-based stickers. Many Etsy shops sell object-based stickers, such as sandals, pumpkins, or butterflies. Let's say we want to create a butterfly sticker. Using Kittl, we can search for butterfly and select a template featuring a butterfly. After customizing the colors and removing unnecessary elements, we have our third sticker design. In just a few minutes, we've created a total of 15 unique stickers, including the initial 3 designs. These stickers cover various themes and styles, showcasing the versatility of Kittle. Additionally, I'd like to mention that one of the stickers was generated using Kittle AI, a feature that leverages artificial intelligence to produce custom stickers based on prompts, further expanding our design possibilities. With these designs ready, we're now poised to add them to our Etsy shop and kickstart our sales journey. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's swiftly upload these stickers to our Etsy shop. I've already set up the Etsy shop to save time for the video, but as you can see, the shop is currently empty with 0 sales. It's time to change that. I'll start by uploading this sticker here, and I want to quickly go over a few best practices for creating your listing to maximize sales. First and foremost, the product image is crucial. You want a high-quality image that accurately portrays what your sticker will look like in real life. Many sellers on Etsy use mock-ups with their stickers against a background. For example, some use a wooden table image from a website like unsplash.com. They overlay their sticker design on the table image and add a drop shadow to give the illusion that it's sitting on the table. We'll follow a similar approach for our stickers. I'll search for a suitable wooden table image on unsplash.com, download it, place it behind my sticker design in KD, and add a drop shadow. This will serve as our product image. I'll repeat this process for all other sticker designs, which should take about 20 seconds per sticker. Once we have all our sticker mockups ready, we can start uploading them to Etsy. We'll ensure to add relevant and keyword-rich titles. As for pricing, we'll follow the model of successful sticker shops on Etsy. They offer stickers for individual purchase or in bulk sets of 5, 10, or 20. We'll create listings for both individual stickers and bulk sets, just like those successful shops. I'll spend about half an hour uploading all the stickers and preparing the shop. Now that the shop is officially live, with all the listings added and a banner image in place, we'll wait for the sales to roll in. I anticipate it may take 1 to 2 days before we get our first sale. Once we do, I'll guide you through the process step by step of turning these digital designs into physical stickers using just a pair of scissors and a printer. I purchased this printer for around $39 on Amazon, and it gets the job done perfectly. Now, let's dive into what needs to happen to get these stickers shipped to our customer. First, we need to print out the stickers. From your computer, combine all the stickers the customer bought into one document in Kittle. Ensure the document size matches the sticker paper size you're using. Most commonly, this will be the A4 option, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. I've connected my printer to my computer, loaded it with vinyl sticker paper, and now we'll print the stickers. Vinyl sticker paper is the go-to because it's durable and waterproof. Once the stickers finish printing, it's time to cut them out. We'll use scissors for this task. While there are automatic devices like a Cricut that can cut stickers flawlessly, they come with a hefty price tag of around $120. For starters, cutting them manually works just fine. We've already cut out the stickers and they look amazing. Now, we'll package the stickers for shipping. I have a flat mailer, which is rigid and prevents bending during transit. Simply place the stickers inside, seal the mailer, and attach the shipping label directly on it. Etsy handles the shipping label, and it shouldn't cost more than around $1.30. The best part is, you don't even have to go to the post office. You can drop it in your mailbox or schedule a free pickup. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.